What comes into play when creating a welcome journey? Functions of an effective email welcome journey campaign. Introduce your brand. When new subscribers sign up for your email list, the first email is a great opportunity to create a lasting impression as you introduce your brand. Establish expectations. Your email welcome journey should also help set a tone for what your subscribers expect from you. Fill the knowledge gap about your products or services. Welcome email campaigns are a great opportunity for you to help your subscribers understand the features of your products or services. Provide value. The main goal of your welcome journey should be to provide value to your new subscribers. When designing your email welcome journey series, it's important to keep the following in mind. The series structure. The structure of your email series can be different depending on the industry you're in, but generally speaking, they should follow a basic 5-step process. Welcome email. This is the first email in the sequence. This initial email should welcome your subscribers to your business. Your welcome email is important, and timing is everything for this first email. In a busy world where people are distracted by lots of information, sending out the first email when your new subscriber is most engaged with your brand is crucial. Providing value. The second email is all about providing value to your new subscribers. Since people subscribe to email lists to receive information, this email should give them something they find useful. This will help you set the tone about your brand and the values it embodies. Follow-up and call to action. Your Welcome Journey series third email should follow up on your second email and a call to take action. The email content. When it comes to the content of your emails, you should never stop providing value to your subscribers. Designing an email welcome journey series can be overwhelming, but it's an extremely valuable way to connect with your new subscribers. By keeping the following in mind, you can create a series that will provide value, keep subscribers engaged, and generate more revenue from your email marketing efforts. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.